my friend. Welcome back to English Elevate channel, your place to grow, to practice, and to find motivation through English. Before we begin today's powerful talk, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new lessons and inspiration. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this journey of growth, learning, and transformation. Today, I want to speak to you from the heart. I want to remind you of something very important. Don't waste your life. Life is short. Time is moving. Every day you wake up, you are given another chance to grow, another chance to build your future. But if you don't take action, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and months turn into years. And suddenly, you look back and wonder, where did the time go? What did I achieve? I don't want that for you. I want you to live fully. I want you to grow. I want you to rise above your limits. And one of the most powerful tools you can give yourself is English. Part 1. Why English matters. Let me ask you, do you want to open more doors in your life? Do you want better jobs? Do you want to travel freely? Do you want to connect with people all over the world? English gives you all of that. Think about it. English is the language of international business. English is the language of science, of technology, of global communication. English gives you access to the world's best books, courses, and opportunities. If you don't learn it, the world feels small. You are limited to only what is translated. You are trapped in one corner, but if you do learn it, suddenly the whole world opens. You can learn anything. You can work anywhere. You can meet anyone. Part 2. Breaking the excuse. You know what you might be thinking, but it's hard. But I'm too busy. But my memory is weak. Let me tell you the truth. Those are excuses. And excuses will steal your future. Think of people who started small. There are thousands of stories. A taxi driver who studied English with his phone in between rides. A single mother who learned English by listening to podcasts while cooking. A student who practiced 10 minutes a day and became fluent in 3 years. They all had one thing in common. They refused to waste their life with excuses. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything today. You just need to start and never stop. Part 3. The power of daily action. Let me share a secret with you. It's not about studying for hours once a week. It's about small, daily action. Just 20 minutes a day. Just repeating sentences. Just listening and speaking. Imagine if you spend 20 minutes every day for 1 year. That's 7,300 minutes. That's more than 120 hours. Do you know how much your English can grow in that time? It can change completely. Small steps build big results. Part 4. Motivation to keep going. But let's be honest, motivation is not always there. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel like giving up. Some days you feel stuck. Here's what I want you to remember. Motivation comes from vision. Keep your vision clear. Motivation comes from habit. Make English a daily habit. Motivation comes from progress. Celebrate every small improvement. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. If yesterday you knew 10 words, and today you know 12, you are winning. If yesterday you were afraid to speak, and today you tried one sentence, you are growing. Part 5. Imagine your future self. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself 1 year from now. You wake up. You open your email, and you understand everything. You travel to another country, and you speak with confidence. You meet new friends, and you connect without fear. You watch movies, listen to podcasts, read books without translation. How would that feel? Powerful, free, unstoppable. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine wasting another year without progress. Still struggling, still waiting, still saying, one day, I will learn. That is not the life you deserve. Part 6, practical steps. So, how do you make it happen? Here are some simple steps. 1. Set a daily goal. Even 15 minutes. Keep it consistent. Point 2. shadow native speakers. Repeat after them. Don't just read-speak.3. Listen every day. Podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube fill your ears with English.4. Speak without fear. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Point 5. Write regularly. Keep a simple journal in English.6. Surround yourself. Change your phone language. Follow English accounts. Make English part of your world. Part 7. Stories of Transformation. There was a young man in Africa who wanted to become a doctor, but most of the books he needed were in English. At first, he struggled. People laughed at his accent, but he didn't give up. He studied every night using old dictionaries and borrowed books. Today, he speaks English fluently and works in an international hospital. Another story, a woman in Asia wanted to start a business online, but her English was weak. She practiced speaking to herself in the mirror every day. She listened, repeated, and recorded herself. Today, she runs a successful online business and has customers from all over the world. These people are not different from you. They are not more intelligent. They are not luckier. They just refuse to waste their life. Part 8. Your time is now, so I ask you, what will you do with your life? Will you let time pass? Will you let fear stop you? Or will you rise up and take control? Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't wait. Don't delay. Open your mouth, speak, learn, improve. You are capable of more than you believe. You have the power to learn. You have the power to grow. You have the power to speak English with confidence. Closing, my friend. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your time. Life is too short to live small. Invest in yourself. Learn English. Step into your future with courage and confidence. Every word you learn is a seed for tomorrow. Every sentence you practice is a bridge to your dreams. Every day you study, you are building the life you want. So, stand up. Take action. Speak out loud. Your time is now. Your future is waiting. Don't waste your life. Learn English and change it forever.